Is your dream to have a successful YouTube channel? That was my dream at 80 years old when I started this channel, and guess what? I'm living that dream. And I want to share with you how I did it. I learned two significant things that have made all the difference in the world on my channel. Number one, it's your sustainable structure. It took me 3 to 4 months of trial and error and a lot of frustration, I got to tell you, to settle into what I now call a workable content creation rhythm. I have 4 rules for this. This is old Mike's 4-rule strategy. Here it is. Number one, my 3-month rule. Well, maybe it's a 6-month rule now, I don't know. If you're just starting out on YouTube, give yourself at least 3 to 6 months to learn the basics. Structure is your sustainable workflow. How you plan, ideation, come up with ideas, do your scripting and writing, how to film, how to edit, how to publish, and how to stay in it for the long game. If you've already started your channel, but you're struggling with this, take a week off. I take a week or 2 off every once in a while to reassess things, develop a consistent, sustainable workflow. So that's number one, the 3-month rule. Number 2, my 10x rule. This is really easy. I love this one. If I think something's going to take me 1 hour, probably going to take me 10 hours. That's right. Recording takes longer. Editing takes longer. Uploading takes longer. Learning new tools takes way longer than I ever dreamed. Number 3, my non-trend rule. Now, don't fall for all of the discussions about finding the trends and jumping on those trends, especially when you're just starting your YouTube channel. You got programs like vidIQ, TubeBuddy, and even the YouTube Studio. You can find trends, but you know what? I don't think I've looked for trends more than 2 times in the 14 months I've been on YouTube. Before you start analyzing trends, you need to figure out your own trend. You need to pick the topics that don't exhaust you, don't require a lot of research. I choose topics that I don't have to spend hours on. How do I do that? I talk about things I'm already doing. I talk about what I already know. I choose topics that come from my own experience. If you look on my channel, I've got videos on being a caregiver for my wife. I've got videos on my adoption story. I've got videos on different things I've learned in 81 years, besides all the videos on how to start a YouTube channel. And lastly, my 10-minute rule. I think it's best to aim, especially as a new creator, to aim for 8 to 12 minutes in length for a video. For most creators, especially new creators, that's the sweet spot. It's long enough to build relationship, short enough to film and edit without burning out. Once you know how long things take, what topics you're comfortable, and what length fits you the best, then you've found or you're establishing your sustainable structure. It's your rhythm, your pattern, your workflow. Now, if you need help with that, I'm going to provide a link down in the description to a playlist from my friend Ty Myers, which takes you through the initial setup steps in getting your channel up and going. It'll help you set a really sustainable structure for your YouTube channel. So finding your sustainable structure really does matter. But there's something that matters more than that. It's how you show up. And this leads to my second main point. The first one being your sustainable structure, this one being your signature. Just as your signature on your driver's license or on a document identifies who you are, how you show up on your channel and in a video uniquely identifies you. Your signature is your brand. It's how people recognize you and remember you. Your signature brand on YouTube is the feeling that people get when they see your channel or watch one of your videos. Now, in the broader sense, it's a combination of your channel banner, how you've got your channel set up, your thumbnails, titles, and all of those things play into what your brand is. But I want to focus in on what I think is most important, and that is how you show up on camera. That's your main signature, how you show up on camera. And in my opinion, there's only 3 things that you really need to get right in this regards. Here they are. Number 1, your story. People don't follow you because of your equipment and your editing and all of those kinds of things. They follow you because of the life you've lived, the honesty you bring, the scars, the lessons, the mistakes, the perspective that only you can bring to your video and to your channel. Your experiences are your brand. Your videos are the vehicle for that. This is called your backstory. So I can't emphasize enough the power and the necessity of your story. So much so that you need to create a backstory that you can quickly communicate in every one of your videos. I'm going to leave a link in the description to my friend Darren Strauss. She's got a terrific video on building a backstory. You need to go watch that video. So if number 1 is your story, what's number 2? It's your presence. Trust grows when creators show up basically the same way week after week. You have the same tone, the same warmth, the same steadiness, the same encouragement. Viewers know exactly what they're gonna get when they see an old mic video or a thumbnail. They're going to get honesty, clarity, encouragement without the hype. But number 3, your story, your presence. Number 3 is really critical. It's your personality. Oh, old Mike, you don't know about my personality. Well, your story tells where you've been. Your presence tells where you are now. And your personality is what people feel when you show up on the camera. Personality is the unique way that you think, feel, express yourself, that others experience when they watch you. That's why when people watch me, and I'm taking this from a lot of my comments, I've got wisdom of 81 years. I've got the grit of a Marine, U.S. Marine Corps. I've got the heart of a pastor. I've been a pastor for 50 years. I have the compassion of a caregiver. I've been the full-time caregiver for my wife for almost 2 years now. I've got a lifelong voice as a storyteller. I've been a public speaker for years and years, and I love telling stories. If you need help in this area, I'm going to provide a link down in the description to my friend Sherry Engel, who has a terrific video on how to show up on camera, the 4 P's of being on camera. It's a great video, and I learned a lot from it. So to grow on YouTube, in my opinion, these are the 2 most important things. It's the reason I think I'm crushing YouTube at 81 years old, but so can you no matter what age you are. Structure keeps you going. Signature keeps them watching. Can I say that again? Structure, once you have your structure down, that keeps you going. Develop your signature, your brand. That keeps them watching. I'm going to link one more video at the end of this video, probably up here somewhere, on how to social proof your channel. Go watch that video. It's a companion to this one. And I hope you enjoyed this video. This is Old Mike, old me living better. I believe that you can crush YouTube at any age. I know I have at 81. I'll see you next time. Oh, remember, if you ain't dead, you ain't done. And I'm not dead, so I'm not done.